I was just walking around and I noticed that the 1989 Lennox heat pump has been replaced. It appears to be an Aire-Flo or a Duquesne. And it's a heat pump. And according to the date there, it was replaced on June 27th, 2012. Can't find a brand. But I'm guessing either Lennox, or not Lennox, Aire-Flo or Duquesne. Very quiet. Surprisingly quiet. I still don't know what building the damn thing's for. It's actually a very beautiful day. It's like in the 70s right now. Not really hot at all. And there are those other two units, or three units, the round one heat pump and those two Lennox heat pumps. And a Sanyo heat pump. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's a Aire-Flo. So there you go. 89 Lennox heat pump was replaced. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.